Company on PC. 1. Launch Limbus Company. Open Steam. Start Limbus Company. Wait for the main menu to load completely. Do not enter a battle yet. 2. Open the Settings menu. Click the Settings icon. Navigate to the Graphics or Display section. Look for Screen Mode options. 3. Select Full Screen Mode. Find Display Mode. Choose Full Screen. Apply the changes. Check if the game fills the entire screen. 4. Use the Alt plus Enter shortcut. While the game is running, press Alt Enter. Wait a few seconds. The game should switch between windowed and full screen modes. 5. Adjust resolution settings. Open graphics settings. Select your monitor's native resolution. Apply the settings. Restart the game if necessary. 6. Disable full screen optimizations. Close the game. Navigate to the game installation folder. Right-click limbuscompany.exe. Select Properties. Open Compatibility. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply. 7. Change Steam launch options. Open Steam Library. Right-click Limbus Company. Select Properties. Under Launch Options, enter Full Screen. Close the window. Launch the game. 8. Update graphics drivers. Open NVIDIA app, AMD software, or Intel graphics software. Install the latest graphics driver. Restart your PC. Launch the game and test full screen mode. 9. Modify Windows display settings. Right-click the desktop, select Display Settings, set scale to the recommended value, confirm the correct resolution is selected, relaunch the game. Number 10. Verify game files. Open Steam. Right-click Limbus Company, select Properties, open installed files, click Verify integrity of game files. Launch the game after verification completes. Bonus fix. If full screen still doesn't work, close MSI Afterburner, disable Discord overlay, disable Xbox Game Bar, disable NVIDIA overlay, restart the game and try Alt-Enter again. These steps will help you enable full screen mode in Limbus Company and fix issues where the game is stuck in windowed mode or does not properly scale to your monitor.